Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna do HART-ELLIE. And this is by Lee, and she is a CZT. So let's put that down here. HART, HART dash ELLIE. And Lee, LEE, KAY, and they are a CZT. And this is for episode 9. All right, so going along with that heart theme, if you've been watching the last couple of my videos, there's been a lot of heart theme tangles I've been doing. So this one, it's gonna be no different. It's gonna be heart theme. So for this one, we're gonna wanna start up here and think of it kind of like a ribbon. And this you can use as a ribbon tangle, or you can also use it as a filler tangle. And I'll show you. So we're gonna wanna do some soft S's. And we're gonna come up here and we're kind of gonna mirror that. And then we're gonna do a small aura on the outside. All right, and for this one, we're gonna want to fill in these spaces with hearts. So you're gonna kind of pick the middle of this, bump out, and we're gonna do a heart, and we're gonna keep it this outside line out here to this outside line on the left. And I'll show you why here in just a moment. I'm gonna connect that back up. And let's go ahead and actually, we'll do the one up here too. And for this one, we're gonna kind of wanna switch sides, and you don't have to. I think it just lends a little bit more visual interest. We're gonna flip it over. I think it's easier this way when you do it like that. And we're gonna do a heart shape right here. And we're gonna come into this space. So you can see how the hearts kind of tangle within. Might do a little bit. This is the heart up here, and then go down here because we would have a heart here. And we're gonna fill in that space. So if you're just gonna do a ribbon, you know, you could just stop right here and go ahead and fill in your space. For this one, I'm just gonna go in and fill inside the space, and I'm gonna leave the hearts open and color in this outside space. So you can see this is super cute all by itself, but like I said, we can also use this as a filler for our projects. So we want to kind of mirror on this side. And we're just going to aura on the right. Bring in our hearts. And then let's flip this around. And then we're going to do the same on this side. Don't forget our aura on the left. Okay. And then go ahead and do hearts. Flip. And then we'll want to come back in and fill in the spaces around the hearts. All right. And there we have HART-ELLIE by Lee K. CCT. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.